Disclaimer, very goofy, very much giving me very much mispronouncing words or missaying the words, very much nervous. Disclaimer, that nervousness probably is not gonna go away for a while. But yeah, disclaimer. Enjoy the video. What's up, peeps? It's your girl Kate, back with a random yet informative video. I think that's how I'm gonna start my videos from now on, because it just sounds. That's literally what my videos are. They're random because pick them randomly, but with thought, you know, and they're very informative. And for today's video, I'm basically gonna be showing y'all how to work with long nails and how to use them, especially the press-on nails, because honey, I know those can be difficult to use, especially since they're not like really secured like the real ones are that you get done at the nail shop or that you do with acrylic, you know, or that you get. So I'm gonna show y'all how I do certain things with the press-on nails, the long press-on nails at that. And stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and share with at least 2 people so we can get our number of peeps up. We're on the road to 100 peeps, you know, almost there. You know, I know we can do it. Keep liking, sharing. Let's get this video to at least 5 likes, and then we can move on from there. But be sure you watch the full video because you never know what you're missing. I'm very funny, believe it or not. Let's get into this video.
Oh, honey girl, look at those claws. Now I'm taking the knife, I'm gripping the handle and making sure my fingers are curved in. Now as I take the top part of the knife, I'm making sure to go to the top part of the onion and slice all the way down, making it basically long pieces of onions. Then I'm going to turn it to the side and begin chopping. But you notice how my other hand, it's curved in, and I'm doing that motion to basically so I don't end up cutting off my nails or my fingers in the process of chopping this onion. And yes, we're just gonna go with that. Next, we're gonna move into how to clean with long nails. So I'm basically moving the stuff off the stovetop first. Now I'm spraying the spray as I normally would spray a spray, you know, just spray it. You take it, you rip it, and then squeeze your fingers. Sound like it does, don't it? And fairly simple with that. To continue on, now you see me demonstrating basically what I'm doing. I'm curving my fingers underneath my palm, taking the side of my thumb and lifting it up a little bit and moving it about as I would basically clean, or in this motion, I guess sweeping it towards you in a scoop-de-doop manner. And then go along the surface and keep on.
Show y'all one way to type, which is the most way I see people type, and then I'm gonna show y'all the 2 ways that I type. Yeah, so this first one, tip of your nail and just type in whatever you're gonna do. I'm gonna do Dateline because me personally, I love mystery shows and I'm trying to figure out what's been going on with Miss Lori and the pastor on the new episode. Okay, the second way to type is basically using the pads of your fingers, this is the way that I type when having long nails. So basically, we're gonna do Netflix for this word. And normally I would have 2 fingers, but I don't. And that right there, I like to feel my fingers glide across the keyboard, which is why I use that method. Now for my third way, I use this pen or just any pen that I have laying around, but right now I'm gonna be using this one. Basically the one that I be drawing my pictures and stuff with, or the outline. So for this word, and bears, it's missing B. Not perfect. So we're not perfect. And boom. They named the panda bears. Y'all see that? 10-10. Or 10-10. Or 10 Bobo. What happened to Bobo? See, I'm gonna go down. You can't use it like, see, nothing's going. So that's where your handy dandy pad come in. Boom. Looking at the history of Bobo. Bobo is a giant panda cub who is born at the National Zoo in Washington, D.C. She lived at the zoo for 4 years until February 17th. She is currently located in China Conservation and Research Center for Giant Panda in, excuse me for my pronunciation. Look at that. August 23rd, 2013. Okay, you go, Bobo. Hold on. Pause. Did you hit the subscribe button? Are you subscribed yet? Did you share this video with, 2 people? Oh, okay. That's what I thought. Thank you, sis. Thank you, sir. Yeah. Thanks for being my new peep. Okay, that's the video. Now I'm gonna show y'all how I brush my hair. How I brush my hair with these long nails. And honey, let's just say skin is coming through. Breaking out a little with acne, but I'm a whole new person in the coming. Yes. Also, if you can't tell, I just woke up. Just wipe my bags. I'm too brushy. Okay. But yeah, so the brush. First, let me show you how to pick up. Recap. Use this brush. Sitting all alone. It was waiting for a toner to pick it up so it can be used. Now, how do you pick up a brush, you ask? I got you. There's a lonely brush waiting for its owner to pick it up. So basically, you're gonna take your thumb, your handy dandy thumb. Hey, nice to meet you. My name's Thumb. Okay, cool. So you're gonna take your thumb and basically put it right here on the side, and then rest the rest of your fingers on top of your brush. Then you're gonna basically take it on the side, but the edge is what I meant. And then you're gonna scoop it up and take your pinky and then boom, pick it up. But this is for if you have this type of brush. What you're gonna do now? Brush your hair. And naturally, my fingers curve when I do so. If you made it this far in the video, say whoop whoop in the comments down below. Okay? Okay. smooth, dude. Basically, for this one, brush with the tail. Hey, brush with the tail. So all we're gonna do is take our thumb and then scoop our other fingers on the side. See, like that. And then pick it up. And then start to use it. Brush our hair as we would normally. And as I mentioned before, your finger naturally curved. Well, this side, your thumb just rests here and dips, creases, but naturally curved. And I already brushed my hair with the other one, so this is just a light one going casually over, but make it do what it do. Okay. Opening lip gloss is important, and here we have the Fenty Beauty, one of the mini collections. Me personally have most of her glosses. I think I have all of her glosses that are out now, so yes, obsessed, you could say. But have this gloss right here, shiny, and let's twist it back up. So have your fingers, and mine is the two top one, and you curve them, and then you rest your thumb on the back or whatever part it falls on. And then after that, you take it, you grip the bottom, and then you turn the bottom left, and then the top you're gonna turn right. So, you're gonna turn the top left, and then the bottom you're gonna turn right. So it's like going against each other. The forces are going against each other. See.
Choose your fighter.
Then you use some Did I mess up? Wealthy, yes, that is her name. And look at her looking green as ever. Oh, look, did I mention? Oh, you can't see that yet. But I put a little shebang to help her grow. Basically, I'm gonna teach you how to turn wealthy. Take your palm, turning plant pots because you have a money tree. And yeah, so we're gonna take your palm, or fingers, and then you're gonna put your thumb over and you're gonna turn left. Turn left, and then you're gonna turn it back right if you turn right. But I rotate her every day, or if I'm here and not at work, then I rotate her almost every 2 hours. And yeah, plant update coming soon. I'm a whole plant mother. Okay.